I ain't never in my life seen a donkey and a dog be best friends.
You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still fucking stupid!
Carl, yoo-hoo! Carl! Listen, you cannot park in this spot. How many times have I told you?
Beep beep. No shit, y'all went the wrong. Oh my god, are you?
Rosie. Why? Why are you up there?
A fucking goat outside.
It's just a goat.
No, it's a fucking goat.
Hey, Henry, you want to race again? All right.
There's one laying down. There's one standing up. Albert and Goatface Killer. And then there's Terry.